In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter signup forms with WPForms. We'll start inside WordPress by going to the plugins area of the dashboard. If WPForms is not installed yet, click Add New, search for WPForms, then click Install Now and activate. Once the plugin is active, you'll have access to the form builder directly from your sidebar, which makes the whole setup process very straightforward. Next, hover over WPForms in the left-hand menu and click Add New. This opens the form creation screen where you'll begin by giving your form a name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple forms later. After that, scroll down to the templates section and search for the newsletter sign-up form template. When you find it, click Use Template. WPForms will automatically load a simple sign-up form with two essential fields: name and email. This is a great starting point because it already includes the basic information most newsletter forms need. From here, you can customize the form using the drag and drop builder. If you want, you can add more fields or click on the existing ones to adjust things like field size, placeholder text, and labels. Keeping the form simple usually helps improve signups, but WPForms gives you the flexibility to match your form to your site and audience. Once the form layout looks good, go to the Marketing tab inside the builder. Here, choose your email service provider from the available list. Then click Add New Connection and connect your account by authorizing it or entering your API details. After the connection is made, map the form's email field to the correct mailing list field so new subscribers are sent exactly where they need to go. Next, head over to Settings and then Notifications. This is where you can set up an email alert so you're notified every time someone subscribes. After that, open Settings and Confirmations. In this section, you can decide what happens after someone submits the form, such as showing a custom success message or sending them to a dedicated thank you page. When everything is configured, click Save in the top right corner. Now it's time to place the form on your website. Open the WordPress page or post where you want the newsletter sign-up form to appear. In the Gutenberg editor, add a new block and search for the WPForms block. Insert it, then select your newly created form from the drop-down menu. Finally, embed the form on your site. Once it's added, your newsletter sign-up form is ready for visitors, and you can start collecting subscribers directly from your WordPress website.